Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a code on Roblox. Okay guys, let's get into it. To redeem a code, you need to visit the Roblox website because we won't be able to redeem a code on the Roblox application. Okay, you can visit the roblox.com, and after you have visited the website, you can click on this icon, the Roblox icon, and then you're going to click on redeem Roblox codes. Okay, and just hold on, it's still loading. Alright, and here you can enter the code. I'm going to give you a code example. Okay, and we can click on this checkbox, and then we're going to click on redeem. Okay, and just wait for a moment, and after that you will get this notification after you successfully redeemed your code. Okay, and I'm just going to go back to redeem. Okay, or actually you can immediately visit this website, roblox.com/redeem, and this page will be automatically opened. Okay guys, and that's all the way to redeem a code on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!